Now that you have received your kit, the next steps we are going to address today. Activate your kit online at testiowa.com by entering your barcode. You can also take a photo of the QR code and that will send you to the website. You must register online to get your results. If you need help, please call the hotline at 1-833-286-8378. Make sure you wash your hands thoroughly for 20 seconds before starting the collection. Do not eat, drink, smoke, brush your teeth, chew gum for 30 minutes before collecting the sample. Collection of saliva first thing in the morning is recommended, but not required. Most people take between 2 and 5 minutes to deliver a saliva sample. Be sure to follow the directions carefully. Do not discard the box, as the box will be used to ship the completed test back to the laboratory. Ensure the kit is not expired. Lay out all the items from the box to verify with a diagram. If anything is missing, call the hotline at 1-833-286-8378. Take the funnel and spit into the funnel. Fill the tube with saliva, not including bubbles, to the black wavy line. Do not overfill the tube. Unscrew the funnel from the tube. Discard the funnel. Now you will take the blue liquid top, push and twist the blue top onto the tube. This may take some force. The liquid in the lid will be released into the tube to mix with the sample. Firmly tighten the cap to ensure the cap and tube are completely sealed. Shake the tube for 5 seconds. Make sure to wash your hands for 20 seconds after completing the collection. Now that you have your sample, we need to label your kit. Your kit will include a label and a UPS sticker. Label placement should begin below the cap with the barcode. One barcode label has a place to print your first and last name and date of birth. Use a ballpoint pen, write your first and last name and your date of birth clearly on the sticker. Once printed on the label, place that barcode label on the sample tube. This information must match the information provided on your online registration. Place the sealed sample tube into the orange bag with the absorbent pad. Be sure to seal the orange bag. Then place the orange bag into the box and close the lid. Now place the UPS return shipping label on the center of the shipping bag. Keep the UPS return service customer seat as your tracking record. Drop off your package at the closest UPS site.